Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI. Some say it's stealing jobs, others say it's the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. The truth? Both are correct. But here's the part most people don't realize. You don't need to build your own AI or spend thousands of dollars to benefit from it. Right now, there are dozens of completely free AI tools that you can start using today, not next year, not after you learn coding, but today, to build side hustles, save time, and even earn an income. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 of the most powerful free AI tools, show you the exact problems they solve, and give you real examples of how ordinary people are already using them to make money. By the end, you'll have at least one idea you can start this week. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. But here's the catch. ChatGPT doesn't always give you the latest information. That's where Perplexity AI comes in. Imagine you're a student trying to research for an assignment, or a small business owner looking for market insights. Instead of spending hours digging through articles, Perplexity gives you accurate, real-time answers, with sources attached. Now, how does this make money? Think about how many people hate research. Bloggers, YouTubers, even businesses, they all need summaries, reports, and quick insights. On Fiverr, there are gigs charging $20, $30, even $50 just for basic research and summaries. With Perplexity, you can do in 15 minutes what would normally take someone 2 hours. I know a guy who's literally running a side hustle called Homework Helper. He doesn't write full essays, just research packs. He pulls information from Perplexity, formats it nicely in Google Docs, and sells it to students who need a head start. Easy, repeatable, and scalable. Next is Canva AI, and this one is massive. Everyone knows Canva for simple graphic design, but their AI tools now generate full social media posts, add banners, and even slide decks. Here's the problem. Every business, from a small bakery to a coaching brand, needs visuals. But not everyone can afford a designer. That's where you come in. You can literally type "create an Instagram post for a pizza shop" and Canva will give you designs in seconds. A local shop will happily pay $50 a month if you deliver them a bundle of ready-to-post content. One of my subscribers told me she created an Etsy store selling digital planners. She made every single one using Canva templates. Last month, she crossed $700 in passive income, and she's only 19. That's the power of Canva AI. You can turn design into a product, even if you can't draw a stick figure. Let's talk about video. It's no secret, video is king. But most people are terrified of editing. Enter Pictory AI. You paste in a script, blog post, or even a transcript, and it automatically turns it into a polished video with stock footage, music, and captions. Why is this powerful? Because TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding, but small businesses don't have time to edit content. A guy I know offers a service. He takes company blogs, puts them into Pictory, and delivers vertical videos optimized for TikTok. He charges $150 for 5 videos. The AI does 80% of the work, he just tweaks and delivers. That's not just a side hustle, that's a real business model. And you can do the same without ever showing your face. Number 4 is 11 Labs AI. And this one is close to my heart because it's exactly what I use in videos like this. The problem? Most people hate their own voice on camera. Or they don't have the right equipment to record high-quality audio. 11 Labs solves both by giving you natural-sounding AI voices in seconds. Here's how to monetize: audiobooks, YouTube channels, podcasts, even training videos. Voiceover artists on Fiverr charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per gig. With 11 Labs, you can scale that instantly. A friend of mine started a faceless YouTube channel about history. He writes scripts, runs them through 11 Labs, adds stock footage, and uploads. Last month, he passed 50,000 subscribers. And he's never recorded a single word himself. Fifth is copy.ai. Think of it as your AI copywriter. It generates ad copy, product descriptions, social posts, and even email campaigns. Problem solved? Writing marketing content is boring and time-consuming. Businesses need constant fresh content, and they're willing to pay for it. For example, an e-commerce store launching 10 new products doesn't have time to write descriptions for all of them. With copy.ai, you can generate optimized text in minutes. Offer this as a service, charge $10 per description, and suddenly you're making $100 for less than an hour's work. Some freelancers even use copy.ai behind the scenes. They don't tell clients they're using AI, they just deliver faster than anyone else. Sixth is Opus Clip, a tool that's like gold for content creators. It takes long-form videos, like podcasts or YouTube uploads, and automatically chops them into short viral clips. Now here's the problem. Everyone knows short-form content is blowing up. But creators don't have time to cut clips themselves. That's where you come in. You offer a content repurposing service. Take someone's YouTube video, run it through Opus Clip, add captions, maybe tweak the design, and deliver 10 shorts. On Fiverr, this service goes for $100 to $200 per batch. I've seen agencies built entirely around this. One person running Opus Clip, one doing minor edits, and they're earning $3,000 plus a month just from busy YouTubers. Finally, we've got SoundDraw AI, an AI music generator. Problem solved? Finding copyright-free music is a nightmare. Either it sounds generic, or it gets flagged by YouTube. With SoundDraw, you can generate unique tracks for videos, ads, or games. This means you can sell custom music packs on marketplaces like Audio Jungle, or license your tracks to YouTubers. Even better, if you're making your own faceless videos, you'll never have to worry about copyright strikes again. You own the music you create. So there you have it, 7 powerful free AI tools you can start using today to build real side hustles and solve real problems. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to give you leverage. The people who learn how to use it will be the ones who win. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're going to try first. And if you want more deep dives into AI side hustles and productivity hacks, hit that subscribe button. Your next big idea might just be one tool away.